Haters don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. They stay with it. I'm okay with it. When they come to me, they don't play with it.
Hello sweeties, welcome to or back to my channel. It's so nice to have you. It is Sugar here. Go ahead and hit that subscribe and like button, and we're gonna get right into it. So today I'll be trying a mullet wig from ILIKEHAIR. They sent me over a really cute little mullet that I'm really excited to try. This is their packaging. It comes in this box, which is just so high-end. I always love their packaging. And it is a draw box. So inside you get the wig. Okay, we're gonna get into that in just a minute. They give you 2 wig caps, a rat tail comb, and a bag of goodies. And in this bag you get 2 styling clips, an elastic band, and an edge and brush comb, which will come in handy. This wig is 20 inches. It is pixie cut in the front, and as you know, it has the party in the back, which is 20 inches, okay? This is glueless. This is supposed to be a straight out of the box install. So when it comes to the inside construction of the wig, you get 2 combs in the front. You get a glueless band, which is removable. You can take it in or out. In the back, you also get a comb and the adjustable straps, so this wig should be very secure. They give you a little bit of lace just to make it more, you know, realistic. Or if you just want to dab like a little bit of makeup there, just to make it pop out a little bit more, that'll work too. So let's see what she's all about. So I'm just gonna take my concealer brush and touch it to the little spot that has lace, just to help it kind of pick up a little color, just a little bit. You don't want it to get all over the hair. So kind of just like that, nothing too much, but it's something. Okay, y'all, so let's see what she can give me right out of the box. Let's make sure we're putting her on the right way. My hair is braided down under my wig cap, in case anyone is wondering. Coming straight out of the box, is she wearable is the question. I would say yes. She doesn't look bad. It's cute, you guys. She doesn't look bad. Like a little funky bang in the front. I mean, she's giving. Don't play with her now. We haven't done anything yet, okay? Just fluffed her up in the top. She is giving. No lies were told. She's ready to go right out the box. If you don't want to do anything else, you can hit the street just like this. But for the girls that really want to get into the gig and just, you know, really get her going, customize her, and make her into something completely different, we're gonna get into it. I did buy some things to help me out. I got some styling foam. I bought a razor comb. I have my mini little flat iron. We're gonna get into it and do some little touches to just really levitate, just really level her up. But she is giving straight out the box. Y'all see it. But let's get into it. Hey sweeties, it's voiceover Sugar here. I just want to come on really quickly. I don't want to make this video too long, but for the girls who like to customize their wigs, this is kind of for you guys, showing you how I customized my wig. These are not necessary steps. This wig was actually beautifully cut. The Pixie marinates beautifully into the mullet. This is honestly the prettiest like tapered wig I've ever had. I mean, they just have it super flat. Everything is covered, no tracks showing. Everything just looks so good. So this is not necessary. This is just for the ones who like to customize. I would also like to tell you ladies that my hair is braided down under this wig, if anybody cares to know. That also helps it really lay flat on the head.
You can't even sit in peace, 'cause all of these niggas be on you. everything I can be. Yeah, one that you call and you talk to, girl. I'll share my world with you. If you're gonna waste your time, don't waste your time with me. I mean, honestly, open your eyes and see. If you're gonna waste your time, what you need, don't waste your time with me. You could have all the space, all that you need. There's no pressure, girl. If you got time to waste it with me. And I ain't worried about them. Girl, you all that I see. And I am who I am. And I be where I be. If you ever hit me on a late night, I'll give you a clear mind. Might give you some insight. I'll share my world with you. If you're gonna waste your time, don't waste your time with me. I mean, honestly, open your eyes and see. If you're gonna waste your time, don't waste your time with me. You can have all the space, more than you need. There's no pressure, girl. If you got time to waste it with me. Don't close your eyes to get away. Just bang on it, I'll arrange it. Beautiful, girl, you're stainless. You'll be fine, I'll be painless, yeah. All I'm drinking is champagne. All you want is the same thing. If you're gonna waste your time, don't waste your time with me. You can have all the space, more than you need.
So, like I said, the Pixie fades really well into the mullet, but my preference for this mullet was more rugged, more 80s, you know, more edgy type girl. So I did take my razor comb and layer it in the back just below where it starts to turn into the mullet. I just gradually came from that point and kind of layered it down. Again, if this wig was on a wig head, I would have done it all the way around because you really want that. I mean, it still turned out well, but you know, when I have time, I'll put it on my wig head and razor the back the same way I did the sides. But yes, this is how I get the more rugged, messy look. Then I just go in with my curling iron and pop in some curls, and they kind of got messier as I got to the top. So not super, how do I say it? Like the way I'm doing the bottom is not the way I did the top. I kind of just did them messy, if that makes sense. Just grabbing the hair in any sort of fashion and just rolling it up. And it gave me that messy look.
Girl, I'll share my world with you. If you're gonna waste your time, don't waste your time with me. I mean, honestly, open your eyes and see. If you're gonna waste your time, what you need, don't waste your time with me. You could have all the space, more than you need. There's no pressure, girl. If you got time to waste it with me. And I ain't worried about them. Girl, you all that I see.
Okay, sweeties, so I'm back. This is what we've got. You know, I kind of played around with the front. I kind of like the little, I don't know what you want to call it. I'm gonna call it a teardrop. I'm not half swirl. I don't know. I kind of dig that right now. And then the back, I just put some messy curls in it. Kind of finger combed it, you know, bunched it up. Gave it a little bit more of a ruggedness. I'm really loving this. Okay. Check her out, and it's like a 3D experience, right? So it's not just about the back, it's about the side profile, it's about the front, you know what I'm saying? It's all the way around. So this is what it is giving. I really do love it. Tell me what you think in the comments. Will you be rocking it? I also have one that I'm going to be doing again real soon, but it's synthetic, so if you're interested in that, stay tuned. But yes, this is what she's giving. I kind of went for the messy mullet look. Okay. But yeah, that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Of course, the link will be down in the description below. Don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, the share button. Do it all, girl. And until next time, stay sweet.